So I very often get the question, how do you hand launch or hand land your drones? And why do you do it all the time? It is super windy here right now. Whoa. I wonder if I got that on camera. It was actually being swept off the ground. And this is because I often fly in places like this. Maybe this one is not the most bad one, as I could find a piece of wood I could use as my takeoff and landing pad. But in general, when you're flying out and about and you don't want your drone on the ground when it's wet and moist, it's very convenient to both be able to take off from the hand and to land it on the hand as well. And it's not as dangerous as it sounds, which I will show you right now. And then you're probably wondering, but you need to find a flat surface somewhere to put the drone to be able to take off. Yes, you have a flat surface here. So you simply just put the drone on top of this, keep it steady. Alternative, when you boot it up, you can just keep it flat like this. So, now this one is ready. And now it's connected. And you might have to wait a little bit for the home point to update. So, now takeoff is permitted. Then you simply just put it in your hand like this. Put it flat in your hand. Make sure to not stick any of your fingers up into the propellers. And then you simply press the icon here. Like this. And one really nice tip that you should consider is you should consider the wind, which I can feel comes from this direction. So I'm just switching to the other side. So the drone is not being pushed into, into the face of you. So, or you can just keep it up like this. So, you see, that was very, very simple and uncomplicated. And you can see it is actually quite windy here right now. So we simply reverse the process when we're gonna land it. So I put it in here in this position, and then I simply put my palm out flat. And then pull down in the throttle stick, like this. Very simple and very uncomplicated. There's also the bad boy solution if you prefer that, and that's simply to grab it here in the battery and do like this. I know a lot of you don't like that approach because it might harm the gimbal on the drone. If you don't feel comfortable about landing it flat in your hand, this is another option. Especially under conditions like these, where it's being tossed around by the wind. So what are the techniques that you are using to take off and land your drone in rough conditions like this? Let me know in the comments below. By the way, did you see the video I did about the attitude indicator that is located inside the DJI Fly app? It can do a lot more stuff than what most people think. If you're interested to find out more, then you can access this video through this card. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.